Today we will learn about the exterior angle of a triangle and its properties. A triangle is a polygon with three sides, such as triangle PQR. It has three vertices, just like triangle PQR has vertices PQ and R. It has three sides, just like triangle PQR has sides PQ, QR and PR. And it has three angles, like triangle PQR has angles, angle PQR, angle QRP, and angle RPQ. As you can see, all these angles are interior angles of triangle PQR. When we extend one side of the triangle, like here, side QR is extended to S, then we get an angle. Can you tell me, what can we call this angle? Think for a while. Let me tell you. Since it is an angle located in the exterior of the triangle, we will call it the exterior angle of the triangle. Here, we have extended the side QR through point S. This gives us angle PRS, which is an exterior angle of the triangle PQR. Angle PRS is an exterior angle formed at vertex R of triangle PQR. Now consider this, if we extend the side PQ through M, then which exterior angle will be formed? You got it right. We will get the exterior angle, angle RQM, which is an exterior angle formed at vertex Q of the triangle. Similarly, if we extend the side PQ through U in the upward direction, we will get the exterior angle, angle RPU. Exterior angles can be formed for a triangle in many ways. If we extend the side QR towards the left, we get an exterior angle, angle PQT, formed at the vertex Q. Now you may pause the video and try to find the exterior angle by extending the side PR. Now look at this figure. Here, angle PRS is the exterior angle of triangle PQR. We can also see that angle QRP and angle PRS are adjacent angles. In addition to the adjacent angle, angle QRP of the exterior angle PRS, the remaining two angles of triangle PQR, namely angle RPQ and angle PQR, are called the two interior opposite angles or the two remote interior angles of the exterior angle, angle PRS. The exterior angle of the triangle and its two interior opposite angles share an interesting relationship. Let's understand this in the case of triangle PQR and its exterior angle, angle PRS. Cut out or trace copies of angle RPQ and angle PQR and place them adjacent to each other at angle PRS. As you can see here, angle RPQ and angle PQR together entirely cover the angle PRS. What does this tell you? Give it a try. You got it right. This shows us that the measure of the exterior angle, angle PRS of triangle PQR is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles, angle RPQ and angle PQR, which means angle RPQ plus angle PQR is equal to angle PRS. So, now we can say that the exterior angle of any triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. Now take a piece of paper and draw triangle PQR and form its exterior angle, angle PRS. You can make any type of triangle. After making the triangle, find the measure of the exterior angle, angle PRS and the interior opposite angles using a protractor. Can you say that angle PRS is equal to angle RPQ plus angle PQR? Why don't you pause the video and find out? Each time, you will find that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its two interior opposite angles. Let's reconfirm this using a logical method. Here we are given triangle PQR, where angle PRS is the exterior angle. we have to show that angle PRS is equal to angle RPQ plus angle PQR. To show this, we will draw line RM from vertex R parallel to side QP of triangle PQR. Here we can see that side QP is parallel to line segment RM and QS is a transversal. With this information, can you tell us the relation between angle PQR and angle MRS? Think for a while. Let me tell you. Here, QP and RM are parallel and angle PQR and angle MRS are corresponding angles formed by a transversal QS of side QP and line RM. Since the corresponding angles formed by a transversal of the parallel lines are equal, therefore, we can say that angle PQR is equal to angle MRS. Similarly, here angle RPQ and angle PRM are alternate angles, and the alternate angles formed by a transversal of the parallel lines are also equal. So, angle RPQ is equal to angle PRM. If we talk about angle PRS, its measure is the sum of the measure of angle PRM and angle MRS, which we can write as angle PRS is equal to angle PRM plus angle MRS. If we replace angle PRM with angle RPQ and replace angle MRS with angle PQR, we will get angle PRS is equal to angle RPQ plus angle PQR. This verifies the fact that exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. The above relation between an exterior angle of a triangle and its two interior opposite angles is referred to as the exterior angle property of a triangle. By now you must have understood the concept properly. Today we learned about exterior angle of the triangle and its properties. In the next video, we will see some examples related to this concept.